Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the MACD flat market detector. Alright, so let us add the indicator to the chart. You can modify the input values depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. Okay, the fast EMA, the slow EMA, the AV period, the gamma, and all of that, right? So this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it is displayed in a separate indicator window, and it aims to assist traders in identifying flat markets where prices tend to move within a narrow range, right? So as you can see this, you will notice these little dots with colors, right? You can see these little dots here with colors in the indicator window. When the dots are blue, you will notice that the bullish move will be prevailing when the dots are blue. When the dots are red, you will notice that bearish move will be prevailing. All right, so you watch out for the changing of the colors between the blue and the red, the blue and the red dots. All right, and then you will also notice the slope of this indicator here. I'm trying to check if it changes at all. It seems steady, right? This slope and this other slope, it seems steady. Okay, so we're not going to be paying attention to that. We're going to be focusing on the color of the dots. All right, remember that you can also change the values depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. Don't forget that. All right, so for a bullish move, you want to look out for the blue dots and get your confirmations first before executing a buy trade. For bearish move, you want to look out for the red dots, get your confirmation first before executing your sell trade. All right, in all cases, ensure that you always prioritize good risk management. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.